Hey, so if you're seeing error messages in Google Gemini, like something went wrong, failed to generate, or unknown errors, yeah, don't worry. These issues are common and usually easy to fix. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to fix Google Gemini error message problems in 2026. First thing, refresh the page. Most temporary errors disappear after a simple reload. Next, check your internet. So, unstable connections can cause failed responses and error messages. All right, shorten your prompt. I mean, very long or complex inputs can sometimes trigger errors. Now start a new chat. Some conversations can get stuck and cause repeated errors. Next, clear your browser, cache, and cookies. So this removes corrupted data causing issues. All right, disable browser extensions. I mean, ad blockers or privacy tools can interfere with Gemini. And yeah, try a different browser or device. This helps confirm if the issue is platform specific. So that's how you fix Google Gemini error message problems. Once fixed, it should work smoothly without interruptions.